Hello everyone, this is Danny from Gush Tools. Gush Tools provides solutions and service of diamond tools, TCT tools, abrasive tools, and drill bits for customers all over the world with 20 years experience. Today, I'm going to introduce you this Super Tungsten Carbide tipped reciprocating saw blade. It is an innovation product, fits all popular reciprocating saw machines like Bosch, DeWalt, Hilti, Makita. Some leading brands already promoting this new product. It is very attractive to customers in North America and the Europe market. The biggest advantage is the multi-purpose application. It can cut pruning, clean wood, nail-embedded wood, thin metal, and medium metal. However, the normal bimetal reciprocating saw blade only have simple application. Here in this video, we use the 6 TPI carbide tipped recip saw blade to cut nail-embedded wood. There are 11 nails in it, and the hardness of nails is HRC 35. The average cutting speed could reach 9 seconds. We have tested another global brand from USA. The cutting speed is 10 seconds. We can provide you details if you are interested. And now, we also have 8 TPI and 10 TPI carbide tipped blades for extending the applications. In this video, we use 8 TPI for cutting square metal. Thickness is 3.8 millimeters and dimension is 60 times 80 millimeters. The cutting speed could reach 30 seconds for one cut. And in this video, we use 10 TPI for cutting a stainless steel tube. The thickness is 4 millimeters and the diameter is 38 millimeters. The cutting speed of first 3 cuts could reach 50 seconds. A carbide tip reciprocating saw blade could increase the productivity and reduce blade changes. It has 50 times longer life and 30% faster than the normal bimetal saw blades. So, it is time for you to update your blade with carbide reciprocating saw blades. And if you need to source good diamond tools, TCT tools, abrasive tools, and drill bits, we are your best choice.